Ignite the light where dreams take flight. Samborlang Rynjah, the young star shining bright. At just 6 years old, his talent blooms bold. A goalkeeper prodigy, a sight to behold. Samborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old, and that Goliath's heart, his story is told. On the field, he stands tall, fearless and true, blocking shots with grace and natural cue. And every save, a dream takes flight. Samber defends with all his might. Samborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old, and that Goliath's heart, his story is told. From village fields to stadiums grand, Sambor's journey across the land. With every dive he writes his name, a goalkeeper destined for fame. Samborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old, and that Goliath's heart, his story is told. On the field he stands tall, fearless and true, blocking shots with grace and natural cue. In every save, a dream takes flight, but Samber defends with all his might. Samborlang Rynjah, keeper of the goal, with nimble hands and a heart of gold. 6 years young, but his spirit's old, and that Goliath's heart, his story is told. Village fields to stadiums grand, Sambor's journey across the land. With every dive he writes his name, a goalkeeper destined for fame. Samborlang Rynjah.